Hi, you are watching Best Electric Impact Wrench for Automotive Work Reviews. Number 1, Joult Max XR Impact Wrench. Brushless motor for superior performance, tool length 8.81 inch. Power tool type cordless, heavy-duty impact mechanism with max torque, 700 feet/pound, breakaway torque 1,200 feet/pounds. It has a heavy-duty impact mechanism, with a max torque at 700 feet/pounds. For best-in-class torque with the most demanding applications, with a max breakaway torque at 100 foot/pounds. Number 2, Campbell Hausfeld Impact Wrench. Pair this impact wrench with the right Campbell Hausfeld air compressor to generate 550 feet/pounds of nut-busting torque so you can rotate your car's tires, change a lawnmower blade, or repair your brakes. 3-speed power regulator makes it easy to select the speed you need to get the perfect tension on your lug nuts every time. The sturdy composite design creates a long-lasting durable tool so you can complete job after job with confidence. Number 3, Inert Twist Electric Impact Wrench. High-power 8.5 amp motor delivers 1050 feet lbs bolt breakaway torque to power off the most stubborn fasteners, rated 2600 rpm speed and 2700 IPM impact rate. Easy one-handed forward-reverse switch, and rubberized grip for added comfort and reduced fatigue. Rugged rubber nose with lightweight, high-impact housing, 9.9 feet long length power cord for most applications. Number 4, When Electric Impact Wrench. Powerful 7.5A motor delivers up to 2700 impacts per minute. Switch the rotational direction from clockwise to counterclockwise with the included rocker switch. Heavy-duty nose spins at a rate of 2100 RPMs, creating 230 feet lbs of torque. Features a hog-nose anvil for easy, yet reliable socket changes. Number 5, Craftsman Impact Wrench. 7.5 amp 1/2 in corded impact wrench with hog ring anvil for easy socket changes. Max 450 feet lbs torque, and 2700 imps for removing larger fasteners quickly. Max 200 RPMs with variable speed trigger for added control. Compatible with the Versa track wall organization system, hook and accessories sold separately. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to know more, check out review list below in description. Don't forget to subscribe to get our latest videos.